Soft Amaretti Lemon flavored. Stay tuned for the recipe. Hello everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. Today, before we even start, get your oven on 320 because this recipe really comes together quickly. We're making soft Amaretti cookies, and I love almond and lemon combination. Si sposano benissimo insieme, they marry well, and that's got to be one of my favorite flavor. So here we have 2 cups of blanched almond meal. We have a cup of sugar, 2 egg whites, pinch of salt, organic lemons. I like to buy them a little green. I think they taste the peel as more aroma. I have half a teaspoon almond extract and powdered sugar to roll them in. Now, let's get started immediately. First thing we're gonna do is whip up the egg whites. Egg whites right in, pinch of salt. And I'm also going to add the almond extract so we don't forget it. So it's gonna go right in. Of course, you could do this by hand, but it's just easier with an electric mixer. Let's go ahead and add the sugar in a little bit at a time. And just keep whipping away. This is what it's going to look like. Let's add the lemon zest in. Now, 1 lemon is enough. I like extra lemon, so I'm gonna put the zest of 2 lemons. You try it once and then you decide which way you like it. Like I was mentioning before, I like my lemons with a little green. Organic is definitely the way to go, especially if we're using the peel. See the amount of the lemon peel? Fold in the lemon zest, just like this. Let's sift in the almond flour, just like this. Be patient because the scola pasta might have the tight holes, so some of the bigger pieces stay on top. The last little bit on the bottom, help yourself with your hands. Let's go ahead and fold in the almond flour into the egg mixture. Don't forget, the egg whites are also important on the sizes. I used large eggs. Now, if your eggs are smaller, you should be fine. But let's say your eggs were larger and your mixture is runny, don't be afraid to put in a couple tablespoons of the almond flour. I'll show you the consistency of exactly how it needs to be, so then you'll know. Just like this. Ecco qui, esattamente così. I'm using a 1-inch ice cream scooper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop out little balls just like this, right on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. We got 4, 8, 12, 16, 18, 20. We have 30, 29, and 1 is 30. We have 30 cookies. Now we're gonna take each little cookie, I'm gonna give it just, because they're already pretty much round, roll it into the powdered sugar and back on the cookie sheet. Now line them nicely so they're easier to count. Just like this. Give it a quick roll into the powdered sugar and onto the cookie sheet. If you don't want the cookie to stick, just cover your hand with the powdered sugar. So like that, they really roll easier. But I like that extra powdered sugar on, so I still add a little bit more. All right, I need to share. For those of you that saw the sticker in my hand, I'm laughing to myself because it makes me happy to think you're gonna say, oh my God, did she go to a club last night? Or better known as the disco. So no, I went to my nephew's wrestling and I got stamped. Anyway, just thought to share that with you. Come really close. I want to show you the last little technique that I use. Come closer. And then put your 3 fingers in a triangle, creating almost like a pyramid. You see that? Si vede bene o no? Ecco qui. Not my own creation. This is how Whole Foods sells them. It's a local bakery in New Jersey that provides these cookies for them. And I thought, how different and are great because I like the fact that it has the tip is a little crunchier, and then the middle, being that's the wider part, is really gooey and soft. But be careful, don't overcook them. One last one. There you go. I wish I could share the aroma in the house. 20 minutes in, and this is what they look like, and this is the color underneath it. I want to open one together so you could see the softness inside. This is the color. You see a pale color? Look how soft they are. Best part is always the tasting. Oh, deliziosi. Thank you for watching. Please make this recipe. This takes less than 30 minutes. 10 minutes to put together, 20 minutes in the oven, you're done. No need to chill, no need to do really anything, and most likely things you have in the house. Grazie. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all your comments. Love to read them, love to reply. Arrivederci, alla prossima. Ciao, ciao. And let's keep cooking together.